A popular vehicle among enthusiasts, Mahindra Scorpio N is renowned for its toughness and commanding presence on the road. Fans were anticipating a 2025 version that would really take things to the next level and were excitedly awaiting the next major release. Here's the twist, though. The 2025 Mahindra Scorpio N won't be making its premiere, despite all the hype and conjecture. We'll explore the unexpected factors that led to this choice and how it will affect Mahindra's future in this video. Many people may be surprised by Mahindra's decision to postpone the 2025 Scorpio N launch, especially considering how well-liked the SUV is. At first, a revised version with improved functionality and new features was supposed to be released. But as the market changed and internal strategic decisions were made, Mahindra had to reevaluate their launch schedule. The business made the decision to put more of its attention toward improving its current lineup and investing in upcoming technology. If the 2025 Mahindra Scorpio N had made it to production, it would have likely continued the legacy of bold and robust design. Fans imagined it would sport an aggressive front grille, muscular body lines, and a more refined interior. However, these design upgrades will remain a concept for now, as Mahindra redirects its design efforts towards future models and innovations that could redefine the brand's aesthetics in the coming years. The delay of the 2025 Mahindra Scorpio N stems from a combination of supply chain challenges, the need for further refinement, and a strategic shift towards electrification. Mahindra decided to pause the release to ensure that the next generation of the Scorpio N meets higher expectations and industry standards. This move, while disappointing for fans, allows Mahindra to allocate resources to other key models in their lineup and focus on enhancing their offerings in the electric vehicle market. Despite the delay, Mahindra remains committed to delivering the next iteration of the Scorpio N, possibly with cutting-edge features and a refined design. The future model may come with advanced technology, improved performance, and a more sustainable powertrain option, aligning with global trends toward electrification. Fans of the Scorpio N can anticipate a vehicle that not only honors the legacy of the brand, but also pushes the boundaries of what a modern SUV can be, making the wait well worth it. While enthusiasts may be upset by the 2025 Mahindra Scorpio N's absence, it prepares the way for an even more thrilling release down the road. Keep checking back for updates on this eagerly awaited SUV. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get the most recent information and opinions on forthcoming cars. Click the like button and leave your opinions in the comments section below if you're excited to see what Mahindra has planned next.